Good afternoon. In this video, we will explain about the second laboratory. The explanation is about the behavior of the sprint in there. My name is Jean-Pierre Morales Velázquez. Day 15 March. Laboratory 2. Design mechanic vehicle elements from pieces in the plane of given problem. Cycle 6. Okay. And the first step is to open the program, ask car to start working, and explore menu options. To start of the laboratory first, we find the file where is the assembly. To create a suspension assembly, what we do is open the folder with the suspension we restart. Okay, once put, we proceed to open the file in the program Adams car force and start to make two respective changes. Introducing flexibilities. Good. For this analysis, we carried out a series of steps. At one of them was the flexible bodies. Use the rigid to flex one functionality to introduce flexible lower control arms to your suspension. Okay, another of the steps is connection. Is to make connections with the mean we can modify and orientate the hanger. In the case you selected the connection to modify location and orientation of the flexible body. Okay. Another step is managing flexible bodies. To manage the suspension flexible bodies, you select flexible body in info because you can verify, modify and effectively using flexible bodies. Okay. Another step is to view and animate mode. In the case is to look at the behavior of the suspensions with animation, and for the we need to make a number of modifications and restrictions. In the case you select the flexible modify because you can see information. Okay. Another step is performance and suspension analysis. Okay. In the case is to look at the behavior and analysis of suspension, and so also conducted a series of registrations. You select suspension analysis because you can to simulate the flexible subsystems. Okay. Animating analysis results. You can animate the results options of the analysis to view the deformation. Okay. Other latest steps is to start the simulation to see the behavior of the suspension. Finally, steps is plotting analysis results. Is to analyze the data displayed by simulation. You can see the suspension characteristics on the result field contains information about the subsystem. Okay, Once finished, we continue with the workshopping questions. Number 1. From the results obtained, can we have similar response between suspension of any substance with flexible parts and rigid parts? I think from the results obtained, as we see in the graph, the suspensions are most identical there. That means that they have the similar behavior, both the left and the right. That also means that weight is proportional for both sides. Number 2 is how does vehicle suspension work? Every suspension system is comprised of several components, including bushings, springs, shocks, absorbers and connection rods, but the main function is to reduce and control the vibrations of the wheels and bodywork that are caused by the road and change of direction. Number 3. How does influence vehicle suspension on driving? Its influence in the following. While signs, as we know, the suspension helps to control the direction of the car. It also maintains the correct alignment and wheels, and the most important is what is maintains the load on the vehicle. Number 4. How does inflation weight variations and vehicle suspension during this performance? As we know, the suspension is important because the load can be affected avoiding the tires. Thanks to suspension there is a space so it is not affect any of the two. Okay, exercise. The is 2.61 G. Okay. One finishes, we continue the conclusions. Okay. Number 1 is conclusion is achievement. Identify the main commands used the dynamic software. Change of the vehicle subsistence of the livery. Analysis and identify the commands to evaluate the behavior on the vehicle's taxi faults. Achieve manage flexes and rigid buoys in the assembly. Okay, thanks.